In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block unwanted messages, whether it's spam or simply messages you prefer not to receive. This guide will walk you through the process step by step. We'll focus on doing this through your email, which is where we often find unsolicited messages disrupting our day. First things first, you'll need to go into your email inbox and find the unwanted message you wish to block. Open up this specific email. Taking this initial action makes it clear which sender you wish to prevent from contacting you further. By doing so, you're setting the stage to easily access the blocking options. Now that you've opened the email, turn your attention to the upper right corner of the email interface. You'll notice 3 small dots lined up vertically. This icon is the key to accessing additional options within your email settings. Go ahead and click on it. These 3 dots represent a drop-down menu where different actions can be selected. This menu is essential for managing how you interact with incoming messages and the senders of those messages. Once you've clicked on the 3 dots, a list of actions will appear before you. Among these options, you'll find one labeled Block. Clicking on this will essentially instruct your email provider to prevent that specific sender from reaching you again. It's a straightforward action, but immensely powerful as it directly stops unwanted messages from cluttering your inbox in the future. It's important to note that this block only affects emails coming from the specific email address you selected, allowing all other communications to continue unhindered. Blocking unwanted emails is a simple yet effective way to ensure that your inbox remains a peaceful and organized place. This particular method allows you to focus on the emails that matter without getting distracted or overwhelmed by unnecessary communication that can cause both clutter and stress. As a useful tip, if you find that you're continuously receiving messages from multiple unwanted sources, you may want to consider creating filters or utilizing the spam detection features available in your email settings for more comprehensive management. These tools can provide additional control over what enters your inbox, offering tailored solutions to suit your personal email management needs. With these steps, you should be well on your way to maintaining a cleaner, more efficient email experience. Thanks for watching and happy blocking.